Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm here with another banging video. I'm going to be making Hellofresh Old Bay buttered up chicken. So if you never heard of Hellofresh, what they do, you go on their website, you order the meals, they send you 4 meals every week for 8 weeks. I didn't want that much, I just wanted to try it, so I got my first meal and I canceled the rest. And before I go any further, this is not a sponsored video. I'm just giving it a try, and I want to try it on video and give my honest opinion, okay? So, when you order your meal, this is everything that you receive in the package. They send you everything that you need to make the meal. And then on the back of the card, they have step-by-step instructions on how to prepare the meal. So, before we get into the video, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Tell a friend, tell another friend, tell another friend. Come over to Jamaica Vibes Kitchen and check us out. So the first step in my process is to season the chicken with Old Bay seasoning. So you have 2 chicken breasts. Actually, they send you 4 for 2-person meal or 4-person meal. I'm just making a 2-person meal because I don't want to make it and it's not good and then I gotta throw it away. So I'll make it for 2 so we can give it a try. So 2 chicken breasts and 1 teaspoon of Old Bay seasoning. Now, I would not be Jamaican if I only use Old Bay seasoning. So of course, I added some Maggi seasoning, and I'm not just gonna season it and cook it because that's not how we do it. We season it, let it sit, let it marinate, then we cook it. So I'm doing my intro right now. I'm gonna let my chicken marinate, and in about 2-3 hours, I'll be back to make this meal. Okay, and just so you can see, along with the chicken breast, this is everything that came in the package. So everything you need to create the meal. First step in the preparation process, wash your produce, and then of course dice your potatoes, cut your carrots, scallion, garlic, you know the jazz. So I'll be right back. So I know a lot of these kitchens got the fancy potato peeler. We ain't got that. So if you don't know how to peel a potato with a knife, here you go. Look at that. Now when you peel it, make sure you don't go too deep to cut the potato off. See? Bam. Got that. Okay, so first thing I'm gonna do, dice the potatoes. Easy. Too easy. Okay, so for the carrots, as you can see, this is how it wants it to look. But that ain't fancy. So I'm going to show you how you need to do it. So first, cut it like this, right? You go ahead, take a little part off like that. Okay? And then you cut it like that, all fancy. Look at that. That's how you do it. Bam. So one more thing before I forget. For the garlic, I really you only get a peg of garlic in the bag. But I figured that wasn't enough. So I added 1 more. So that's why I have 2. So if you want to add more, totally up to you. And there you have it. And the next step, excuse me. The next step is to boil the potatoes and the garlic. So let's get it. Okay, so all you need to do, add some salt, and then just let it cook. Okay, so while the potatoes cooking, I'm gonna go ahead and roast the vegetables. So drizzle with a little bit of salt, some pepper, and a little bit of oil. And then of course, you just want to stir. Toss it in that pan, and then we're gonna bake. It doesn't say how much, like what degree or whatnot, so I'm just gonna do 350 and go from there. Okay, so while the vegetables are roasting, it also calls for a sauce. So it's a tablespoon of butter, half teaspoon of Old Bay seasoning, and then hot sauce, which comes in the packet in the bag as well for taste. See how this, let me taste it. A little tangy, ain't that hot. All right, so now I'm gonna prepare the chicken. It smells amazing, by the way. So for the instructions, of course, your pot, a little bit of oil, and fry your chicken on each side, 3 to 5 minutes on each side. We'll see. But obviously, if it's not fried all the way through at 3 to 5 minutes, fry it some more. We don't promote salmonella. Okay? This is what the chicken looks like when fried completely through. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and make the mashed potato. But for the instructions, it wants me to set aside half a cup of the liquid. So I'm going to do that. Then I'm going to pour the rest off. And then I'll come back and show you the process. Alright. So to prepare, we have our sour cream. I'm not gonna add a lot because I do not like sour cream. Also gonna add a tablespoon of butter and keep mashing. Okay, so the liquid that was set aside is only if you need to add some more, but as you can see, I don't need no more. So I'll just pour that out and then add some pepper, a little bit of salt. I say add, mix, and taste, and then if you need to add some more, then you add that. But it's better to add more than to add too much and can't take it back. Done. All right, so for the final step, let's see. So we need a pan with oil. Reuse the oil you use for the chicken, obviously. And then it wants me to add the scallions. But this is the thing, just the white part. That ain't gonna happen because I'm not gonna sit here and pick. They should have said that from the get-go. I'm not gonna pick those out, so I'm just gonna put them on there. And that's that. Alright, now I'm gonna add the stock concentrate that came in there. And add a quarter cup of water. Okay, so you only need to boil this until it's thick, and seems a little bit thick to me, so I'll probably leave it for a little bit more, then turn it off. Okay, so I think it's thick enough, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn it. Final step for this part is to add a tablespoon of butter and just allow it to melt in. Alright, there you have it. Of course, I made some shrimp on the side. Let's go ahead and taste it. Chicken. Okay, that's pretty good. Now, I mean, I think I'd add more than 1 teaspoon of Old Bay, just a little bit more. Potato. That's amazing right there. Oh, I love the potato. Vegetable tastes amazing. There you have it. This one right here is definitely a pass. Y'all, I forgot the sauce. Let's see if my opinion changes once I add the sauce. Okay, let's see. Okay, yeah. The sauce definitely makes a difference, so good one. Okay, so the Old Bay butter is for the vegetables if you want to, but in my opinion it tastes disgusting, so I'm gonna throw that away.